won't have to be spring. It's getting nice weather in Minnesota. I'm sure it's getting nice weather everywhere else. I'm Justin Sundberg with Sunny Travels. In my last video, I teased about my crazy itinerary that I have booked in April. So I did say that I'm going on the Oasis of the Seas, first ever roller coaster cruise. It will also be the biggest ship I've ever been on. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see what's going on. But then, because 2022 is the year of other cruise lines, I knew I wanted to book a Virgin Voyages cruise. So I looked and there was one leaving in Miami on the day after the Oasis of the Seas cruise ended. But it was really expensive. But here it was on the Virgin site, and right below that was another cruise on the same day for half the price. Well, what is this? Oh, it's out of the UK, and it's on the Valiant Lady, their newest cruise ship. So that's kind of ridiculous, Miami to the UK. But I figured I'd just check my Delta app just to see what's going on. Oh, there is a flight. And it's only 35,000 sky miles. So I booked that, and I booked the Virgin Voyages cruise. But then, I've been trying to do a little travel agent stuff. I booked it, and I didn't have a travel agent account set up with Virgin. So I booked under my mentor's name, and I emailed, I go, Lynn, I hope it's okay. I booked through Virgin under you. Can you fix this? She goes, oh yeah, no problem. You probably saw on Facebook I posted to my first agent who books a Virgin Voyages cruise, I have a $600 credit for you to use. But it has to be balcony or above. Now my stateroom is the cheapest possible. It was a solo inside cabin. But I called Virgin and I said, hey, how much to upgrade to a balcony? And they're called the Sea Terrace cabin at Virgin. And they said, you can do that for $740. Being the math guy that I am, $740 minus $600. I paid an additional $140 to upgrade to a balcony. So I'm on the Valiant Lady for its third or fourth sailing ever. It just had its inaugural. But then all of its public cruises were canceled for most of April because the TV show wanted to use the ship. But right after the TV show is done filming, I'll be on the ship. I got a piece of mail just today. It was a small thing. It said ahoy on it. It was my Virgin Voyages. I have my luggage slip and my wristband. Fancy. So I'm excited for that too. I'm gonna try a new cruise line, a new cruise ship. No, it's not quite the first ever sailing of the Valiant Lady. But really what I love is the inaugural transatlantic cruises. I've been on several of the Norwegian transatlantic cruises before, and they're awesome. They're kind of a party. I'm going to tell you a lot more about inaugural transatlantic cruises. They're more than just a transatlantic cruise. They're more than an inaugural sailing. I'm actually on the inaugural sailing of the Norwegian Prima in September. That's going to be a really awesome cruise too. To hear about all these sailings, you should definitely subscribe. By subscribing, it doesn't cost anything, but it really helps the channel out. I would really like to reach 1,000 subscribers by the time I take these cruises at the end of April. Thanks so much.